Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over the details of our wireless charging console lid upgrades for the first-gen Raptors and 09 to 14 Ford F-150s. You can customize the color of your leather, stitching, and trim ring to match your vehicle. We built this one in black with contrasting cement stitching and accent ring to complement the leather upholstery we're installing in this truck. Our wireless charging system is fully integrated into the factory console lid, eliminating any extra cables and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. This system features a magnetic QI-compatible charging pad with a hard ridge around the edges to keep your phone in place. This upgrade is compatible with most smartphones using QI wireless charging protocol, and the charging tray is available in multiple sizes to accommodate most phones. If your phone case is larger than our standard or XL dimensions, be sure to give us a call as we may have additional options. We're currently offering this upgrade as a send-in service, and we'll email you a prepaid shipping label to send us your lid. All you'll need to remove the lid is a Phillips screwdriver to take out the 4 screws from the hinge. Your wireless charging console lid will arrive ready for you to bolt back in and comes with a fast charging compatible USB adapter for the 12-volt power outlet, so no custom wiring is required.